Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. For the first time in Apple's history, the iPhone 18 will not be unveiled in September. Only the iPhone 18 Pro series, and Apple's first foldable device, possibly called the iPhone Ultra, will be unveiled. Similarly, Xiaomi is copying Apple's strategy. The Xiaomi 18 will be released separately from the Xiaomi 18 Pro. New details emerged. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Analysts believe this decision has apparently already been finalized, and Xiaomi may have already implemented it in preparation for the September launch of the Xiaomi 18 Pro, as one insider currently suggests. Tech leaker Kartiki Singh is currently reporting on X. According to his post, it's highly likely that Xiaomi will debut the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processors, with just two new Xiaomi 18 Pro models, the Xiaomi 18 Pro and the Xiaomi 18 Pro Max. Apple is reportedly planning to adopt the same strategy starting this fall, with the iPhone 18 scheduled for release in spring 2027, followed by the iPhone 18e and iPhone Air 2, after an initial September launch that will feature only the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, as well as Apple's first foldable device, possibly called the iPhone Ultra. Xiaomi 18 Pro and Xiaomi 18 Pro Max global launch. In recent days, more and more details have emerged about Xiaomi's global plans, which are likely to be radically different from what Xiaomi fans have become accustomed to in recent years. According to recent reports, Xiaomi is apparently compensating for the discontinued Xiaomi 18 Ultra by releasing the Xiaomi 18 Pro and Xiaomi 18 Pro Max earlier in global markets, a strategy that will likely also apply to Europe. Kartiki Singh currently suggests that we probably won't see the base Xiaomi 18 model until late this year or early 2027, meaning the manufacturer will clearly focus on the two Pro series models, at least for the Chinese launch in September. This makes perfect sense, especially considering that Qualcomm's new 2nm chips, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, will likely be very expensive and may be reserved exclusively for the two Pro series models. New entry-level flagships from China, including the Xiaomi 18, could potentially be equipped with upgraded chips from the previous generation, as one insider previously hinted. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.